In this episode of Sailing Dark Angel, we explore remote Hog Key in the Ragged Islands. Our hike to the ocean side takes an eerie turn along a trail marked with broken, disfigured dolls and toys, before I set off solo on my paddleboard to discover a string of hidden beaches, bringing you along with my GoPro, while Dave works on video production back on the boat.
If you like our videos, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. It's free for you and really helps our channel.
Today, Captain Dave.
Hiking. We're going hiking. Leaving the boat, going hiking. Yay, going hiking. Way down here around the corner, down the beach, is a path across to the other side. You know how we like to go hunting for hidden beaches. Let's see if we can go find a hidden beach. You up for a hidden beach?
I'm up for a hidden beach.
Let's do it. Out there is where we dove earlier. That's where we're anchored. Behind Lisa is the cliffs that you can walk if you take the path we're not going to take. And apparently the views are spectacular, and it goes all the way to our anchorage, which is not in the cards for today. Today we're going to see if we can find the hidden beach on the other side of the island.
We're going that away.
Out here somewhere. That nice, smooth trail.
Oh. All right.
Looking a little rocky.
Oh, hell yeah.
Streamlining down to hiking. Now the creepy thing about this trail is it's marked with broken like dolls and toys and stuff, so it's a little creepy. That trail's not bad so far. Whose idea was that? That's not creepy at all.
It's just creepy.
So I'm kind of guessing this is where the trail branches. So this way is going to take us to the far side of the island. This is going to take us up over the cliffs that would lead us back to our anchorage.
Somebody doesn't like Barney. Not cool, man. Not cool. This one's relatively new.
People are adding to it.
Yeah, that's
Have to change this to Barney Island. If I was hunting goats, that's a goat trail right there. And along with all the toys, always a shoe. Lego, which thankfully we didn't step on. And picking a crate. A whole wall here.
What are you doing? Lean on the wall for a minute.
So what do you think made this pile of sand? You think it's from kids playing?
No.
Think maybe they buried somebody?
What?
What? It's a little known fact. That's actually what the great Bahamian saltwater crocodile uses. When it lays eggs, that's how it protects them. It builds a giant sandcastle just like that. So if you see one, watch out, because somewhere nearby is a great Bahamian saltwater. Where are you leaving? I'm trying to be educational here. Nothing. Tough island. Of course, on closer inspection, there's a lot of stuff that washes up on the beach. This is open ocean, and it's open for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, even thousands of miles. So when stuff washes up, who knows where it's from? Could be from Cuba, could be from Mexico, could be from South America, could be from Asia. It's just floats around the open ocean forever until it finds a beach, and there it is. Brutal. I gotta tell you, there's all kinds of that Bahamian chocolate. Little chocolate pellets right on the beach.
Gross.
Processed through a goat.
I'm ready to go back.
Yeah, this is not a pretty beach.
Nope.
It's a hidden beach, but it's not a particularly pretty one.
Not one you'd want to visit.
Oh, there you have it. There is a hidden beach. Not our favorite one, but it's an interesting hike with all the dead toys. Now look what you did. You put footy prints in it. All right, we're back to the beach on the protected side, and I gotta tell you, much prettier here. This is a nice little stretch of beach. There's another one around that corner, and a huge one down where we are. More over here. It's absolutely gorgeous.
So what am I doing today, Captain Dave?
She's leaving me. She's had enough. She said she's gonna depart. I don't know when she's coming back or if. I have no idea. Are you leaving me?
I am leaving. Had enough of your horse shit. I gotta go.
I don't have a horse.
But you got a lot of horse shit going on.
Well, good luck trying to get anywhere in this wind.
I know. It's gonna be a bit of a bear to get to the beach, but once I get to the beach, it'll be a lot calmer. I've got something to drink. I've got camera. I've got, you know, this tied around my ankle. I am set.
Do you want your passport? In case the wind pushes you to Cuba?
Oh, man.
Are you there yet?
Me going to Cuba. I guess I'll go this way. 'Cause look at this.
Wow.
You might have to come and get me.
I might. I don't know how you're going to tell me that, though. No phone, no light, no motor car, not a single luxury.
Not a single luxury.
Sorry about the sound, but we have it in its casing because we don't want to lose another GoPro. Anyway, I paddled like crazy just to get to the beach side because we're right over there and the winds are 15, gusting 20, and I didn't want to end up in Cuba, which is right over there. So that's the way that my paddleboard was taking me. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take you along with me, and I'm going to paddle around up and down here. We are at Hog Key in the Raggeds, and I'm sweating like crazy. But I wanted to make sure, as you can see, that I'm covered up from the sun because I think I'm going to be out here for a little while because I want to be off the boat for a little while. Dave gets busy doing his job, putting together YouTube videos and all sorts of other stuff. So yeah, I'm going to paddle all this behind me, and maybe if I got time, I'm gonna paddle all this over here. Rock cuts are pretty spectacular here. I'm gonna show you down there where the rock cuts are. And if there's anything in the water, I'm gonna dunk you under the water so you can take a look at that. Of course, I'm gonna dip in and out of the water because this is gonna be hot, sweaty work, but whatever. You know, this job ain't so bad. I kind of love my job, so let's get going. So I paddled my way up to what they call their yacht club here on Hog Key. There's a couple of people that are in there. Oh, they've got a fire going. That's very interesting. And I'm just looking at this cut of rocks that's in the side here. Seriously? Look at how beautiful these rock formations are. These rock cuts. Like, what? This is crazy. I'm actually literally just floating on my paddle. We're just floating. Look at these rock formations. They're just gorgeous. Like, what in the world, guys? Like, for real? Look at this. Oh, there's a cave-like thing under here too. Look at that. I wonder if there's bats in there. Guys, I'm walking along some of these rocks, making sure I'm not stepping on any spines though. Sea urchin. And it's dry enough you can get right underneath there. There's some fishermen. Around the corner here, and I had to really work at it to get around this little corner here, and it was so worth it. There is this tree that I'm hanging out underneath in the shade that is like right on the beach, and you know, like nobody anchors here because I guess the bottom here is all scoured, so they anchor on the other side, so there's not too many people that come over on this side, which is awesome. This makes it worth it. This makes life worth living, I swear. There is nobody around. Lay it down and relax. Sitting on my paddleboard, right in the shade. Check this out. This is my view. Right. This tree is flowering and I can smell the tree. It's very fragrant and it's amazing. I did get the tree's permission to film it, so don't give me no grief. I could be by myself and walk along here pretty much naked. I think that that's an amazing idea. Pull this way up there so that she don't take off on me and I can't get home. Look at this. How gorgeous is this? I'm hoping Dave's not freaking out right now because he doesn't know where I went and I'm around the corner, so he has no eyeballs on me. But sometimes you just gotta disappear. Once he comes off. That's amazing. This is my view as I'm walking along. I also have bare feet, so it's not like I'm going to go walk in the bush or anything because I don't look up with you. Because having open cuts and hurting yourself out here, not a good idea. Oh. Hog Key Yacht Club. These chairs are just sitting here for anybody to use. It's a thatched hut. Everybody that visits here, I think that they put their sign up. Check this out. even got a swing. This is incredible. We have volleyball net over there. Wow, this is beautiful. So look at all this behind me. Isn't that flippin' gorgeous? Excuse you, butterfly. And I'm gonna be going kind of down that direction and around that little corner way down there. And I'm starting to head back out to sea, so I have to start paddling. And I can't paddle while I'm recording, unfortunately, so we're gonna get going that way. And there's Dave on the boat, way out there. So we made it to this little beach here, and it's beautiful hard packed sand. So instead of sinking down in the very fluffy sand, it's hard packed. It's just gorgeous here. And of course, nobody's around, and I mean nobody. So we're just gonna walk along here and enjoy some of the quiet. Look at this behind me, guys. Look at that behind me. See those two little pieces of land out there? That's where we went snorkeling the other day. Lots of life. So is it time to move on to the next? Let's go find out what's around the corner, because I gotta find out what's there. What you got in there? I gotta go see. So why don't you come with me? I don't mind doing this alone, but it's good to have somebody with me. So it seems to me that we're doing this trend of hidden beaches. So now I'm on the second little hidden beach, and I have to show you this. Check this out. Sand dollar. Sand dollar. Pull it over. Look at that. How cool is that? Back down, and there's a sand dollar. Cool, right? Yeah. Honestly, every time I bring them on board, they get smashed. Being on a boat, it can be kind of harsh to delicate and fragile things. That's why you never have glass on a boat. But this is what's up behind me. I'm gonna move slowly around. Flip you around so you don't go bleh, bleh. Look at the rock face of that. How cool is that? Another little hidden beach. Couple birds. Yeah, I'm digging going out and exploring by myself. This is a lot of fun. And there's nobody out here. But this is pretty freaking cool, guys.
That's a shark.
Yeah.
It's just a little one, but it's a shark. No idea what kind.
And it's heading to the shallows.
People are always worried about sharks out in the deep water. They feed in the shallows.